Hi, I'm Julie E., and I've been practicing nutrition and health for over 30 years. And because I've been practicing for so long, I have truly figured out the simplest things a person can do to be healthy. And I'm here to teach all of those things to you. Whether you just want to follow me on social media or you'd like a personal healing session for yourself, your child, or your pet, I'm here for you. One of the most important things about your body is your detox system. Everyone's talking about detoxing today, but what people are missing is that half of their detox system most people are not addressing. The entire detox system I call an assembly line because that's how it works. When one part of it is sluggish, it backs up the rest. And if you want to have a healthy body for the rest of your life with all the toxins and stresses we have in this world, the most important thing you can do is tend to your assembly line. And I'll help you with that. And the second most important thing about your health is all of your scars and traumas you've had from your entire life. Wherever you've had a trauma, it might create a traffic jam in your body, which bogs down and clogs up your assembly line. So addressing all of your scars and traumas from your entire life is also super important. And then the other most important piece is about your EMFs, your Wi-Fi, your cell phones, and your computers. And follow me and read a little bit more about that. When you address these pieces of your body, you will see that being healthy is actually an easy thing to do. I'm here to teach you the simple solutions, so come along with me on this journey.